Hello everybody, Grandma Bev here. Well, I got a bunch of boxes today and one of them was Stitch Fix. So, I thought I would quick do this part, though I opened the wrong end of the box, so it's not going to look right when I hold it up. Let's start over here. So, do this part where I show you what I got, and then maybe Bob's going to be playing cards this evening. At some point I'll have to slip Bob's part in there where he rates the clothes. Okay, so of course there's the envelope. Put the things in that I don't want, that I'm returning. There's the goodies. There's the envelope with the goodies. Ooh, ew. Looks like only 4 things. Let me stop this to do a quick picture. Hold on, babies. Okay, I'm back. It says, ooh, hello. And let's see, this part's the pricing part, so I don't want to look at that yet. This part here says, I have the same gal still. Oh, there must be earrings in there somewhere. It says, hi Beverly, how are you? I was excited to see the sneakers worked out for you last time. That was a couple of times ago. Sperry is a terrific comfort brand. The more you wash them, the softer they feel too. I made a note to avoid shorts and was able to find a casual, versatile, low-price pant by dictionary to try today. The olive is a nice neutral addition for any season and makes a cute outfit with the sneakers and the fun red floral blouse. For the morning chill, I included this lightweight cardi layer by Market and Spruce. It can top your basic tees too. The violets and roses floral top is a mixed material with great stretch and rayon component that's ideal for keeping cool in the heat of summer. This top can pair with your khaki trousers from last summer or the olive bottoms. Lastly, the Town and Reese bar drops at a budget-friendly shine to any outfit. Oh, that must be the earrings that are in there somewhere. Doesn't say who the person was. Huh. Okay, well, let's see. This first one is the Fun to Fun. Fun to Fun. This is a cute top. Cute. It's more like a V-neck. And the sleeves are little cap sleeves. It's made in China and extra large. Might be too big, but we'll see. Because Grandma's lost a few pounds. That's the first item. Oh, what's it made out of, you ask? Can tell I'm in a rush. Okay, let's see. It is 98 poly, 2% spandex, machine wash cold, tumble dry. So that will work. That will work. Then we've got the Mason and Bell. This is cute. Another top. It's navy with the kind of a yoky top on, on the top. It goes down to the sleeves, and the sleeves are cuffed. And it's got a floral print on the bottom. Pretty. And these are extra large, made in China. Oh, and there's a little pocket too. A little pocket on the one side of the. I think that's, it's navy. It is made out of 100% poly. And to take care of it, you machine wash cold with light colors. Tumble dry low. Okay, that'll work. Yeah, now this must be the cardigan. Oh, there's the earrings. Here's the cardigan. No buttons or anything, but it's getting long. You'll see when I model it for you. But you can see the material. It's kind of a almost like a jean-looking type pattern to it. And it's got a you know, how do you call those things like you have on your wrist too? And there's pockets. It's kind of long, so it will depend on if we think the long one looks good. I mean, this is an extra, extra large, made in China. It's called a Hall's Brush Knit 2 Pocket Cardigan. And the body is 76 rayon, 18 poly, 4 spandex. Okay, it's ribs along the there and along the bottom and down the front. Machine wash, cold, gentle cycle, line dry. Okay, that'll work. It's kind of a pretty navy color. And then the pants she mentioned are kind of an olive kind of color, and they've got cuffs on the bottom. This is the Dictionary mid-rise. It's got one, two, 4 pockets. You know, 2 on the butt, 2 on the side, belt loops, zippers, and 2 hooks up here. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure about the pants. Well, let me see, what size did they put those at? 16. It's an Eva straight leg pant. And it's always hard to find what they're made out of. Made in China. And the last item is because I don't like to take earrings and stuff if I ever get to wear earrings again. Well, these are kind of cute. Just a straight little earring. Town and Reese, they call them a ham bar drop ear, made in China. So the next step is to run us by Mr. B and Lucy, see what they think. So I'll be back when I try them on. Be back shortly. Hi, I'm back. Well, since I recorded the first part, we went over to happy hour and it started raining. So I'm back over here and I'm cold because I got wet. Anyway, here's the first top. This is the one that's got a little pocket here. Not that I'd ever put anything in it, but you can see, oh yeah, the sleeves are rolled up. Get back as far as I can. It's actually extra large, but you know, it's just a little. What do you think, Bobby?
I like it. It's a hair snug, but I like it.
Yeah, he says it's a hair snug, but he likes it. What about you, Lou? Huh? So, what do you all think? Okay, let's try on the next one. Okay, here we go. This one is the floral print. I like the print of it. See, it comes down. Well, it's only open from here up, but the seam actually comes to there. What do you think? What do you think, Bobby?
Yeah, I like it. Again, it's a little snug.
It's a little snug, isn't that funny? So now I'm going to slip on the cardigan. Cardigan's very soft. Can't really see because I've got my reading glasses on. Oh, these tags. It's soft. got the kind of the ribbing going down. The ribbing is more like the going down the front, along the bottom, sleeves, and it's got 2 pockets. What do you think, Bobby?
Yeah, I like
You don't think it's too long?
it. I think it looks okay that way.
Because you don't usually like these.
Well, I'm on a sweater.
Yeah. Like I say, it's pretty soft. A lot of it depends on the price, too, when we get back there. Now, she put these pants in, but you know, I'm not going to even try them on because I just don't need any. And I've got some at home that I haven't worn yet, so I think we're going to pass on trying that on. So that will do it. I like it with this shirt. I mean, the color of this goes good with this shirt. So, well, we'll just have to discuss it. I'll join you back in the other room. Just a minute. Okay, moving on. We'll go through the review. First one was this dark navy floral top. And Bob liked that one on me, so did Lou. And the price on that one is, let's see. Which one is it? Mason and Bell. Didn't say Mason and Bell on here. Oh, no, it's Market and Spruce. Which one is it? Look on the other tag. King Lake Mixed Material. Okay, this one here. Oh, it's not a bad price. It's $36. That's not too bad. Then I tried on this one, which is the Fun to Fun. The floral printed one. And this one is $38. See, I stressed to them. You know, try to keep things under $50. And so far, they've been doing that in the last several boxes. And then the sweater, I feel like putting on right now because it's cold in here. Once the rain starts coming down a little bit, boy, it's amazing how the temperature drops. And that was, let's see, earrings, knit. That's probably, no, that's $44. That's not bad, you know. And then the earrings were, let's see, take them out and show you. The earrings are $28. And the pants, which I'm not trying on because I just don't need them, these are $50. More than what I like to spend. So, the grand total for all of them came to $196, which isn't bad. Let's see, with if I buy everything, I get $49 off. So that's a 25% discount. And then I have a credit of $26.32 for something. I don't do the $20 stylist fee anymore. That they invited me to do the year thing where it's like $49 for the year or whatever it was. Anyway, so the shipping, of course, is free. So if I buy everything, it would be $120.68. So I have to kind of, you know, go over the prices and see which works out the best, if it makes sense, you know, because what I don't want to keep, you know, I can list on eBay. So that'll do it, kids. What you think? I need your answers quickly because I've got to get that back in the mail within 3 days. And of course, it's the weekend, so it means that, you know, won't be anybody out there to pick up the mail for a couple of days. Okay. Comments below, like if you like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I hope you all are having a good week. I love you all. Bye.